right, GBMC, sorry for the delay here. I gotta get my kids to bed. This is the video to find our 7 mini winners for the 5 MVP helmets final mini. So we'll check the time, February 9th at 7:49 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have February 9th at 7:49 p.m. There is the list of our 64 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 7 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, guys, looking for the top 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final, looking for the top 7. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tyler, Josh, Joe, Jay, Chuck, and Dustin. So we have 7 different winners. So Tyler, you will have first shot at the main. So go ahead and comment your spots on there. When you see this, there is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, February 9th, 7:49 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.